Hello students, today my topic is atomic and ionic radii. It may be defined as the distance from the center of the nucleus to the outermost shell of the electron, or the half of the interatomic distance of the two adjacent means side by side atoms of free element, that is from center of the nucleus to outermost orbit. This is the radius or radii. If we talk about in plural, then it is radii. So this thing is atomic radii or ionic radii. If we remove the electron, then the outermost shell get also removed, because only one electron reside in the sodium ion. So if we remove this electron, so this orbital also get removed. So in ionic form it becomes somewhat small, so radius also get decreases. So this Na atom give one electron and just the outermost orbit get removed from it, so its radii also get decreases. But in atomic state it has that orbital, that electron, so its radius is increases. In period, the atomic or ionic radii get increases on going down the group. This is because the atomic number increases, the number of electron increases, which goes to some higher shell, that is the number of shell increases. If we go down the group, the number of shell get increases, so the atomic radius also get increases. In period atomic number increases by unity, hence electron goes to the same quantum shell throughout the period, while nuclear charge increases, greater the positive charge at the center, the nucleus greater it pulls inside. So going just left to right, the radius get decreases, because there is more electron in the outermost shell as we get left to right. Here it is 2 electron only, here 3 electron, here 4 electron. So continuously electron get increases in the outermost shell. So number of electron is equal to number of proton, as I have said earlier. So the nuclear charge get increases and it somewhat pulls outermost shell to itself. So the size get decreases. The orbital just pull towards the nucleus, so its size get decreases, so the atomic radii or ionic radii get decreases. Now atomic volume. See, density is mass upon volume, so volume is mass upon density. The volume occupied by 1 gram atom of an element in its solid state. So with increase in atomic number from top to bottom, atomic volume also increases. So volume is what? To space occupied by the orbital. The space is volume. So the as we go down the group, the size of the atom get increases, so the volume get increases. In period on moving left to right, the atomic volume first decreases for some element, become maximum in the middle, and then increases. Alkali metal have maximum value. As the nuclear charge get increases, so it pulls itself, the outermost orbital to itself, so the size get decreases. So in period volume get decreases. Melting and boiling point. Melting point of an element is the temperature at which its vapor pressure in solid state is equal to its vapor pressure in liquid state. Means solid changes into liquid. It is the melting point. So just like a butter. In the solid state, first it is in the solid state. When we give heat to it, then it becomes in a liquid state. So the vapor pressure of solid goes to the vapor pressure of the liquid. Now boiling point is the temperature at which vapor pressure of substance become equal to the atmospheric pressure. So in group, the increase in atomic number on moving down the group of attraction between the proton and electron of outermost shell decreases. If we go down the group, so the attraction between proton and electron get decreases. So less energy is required to remove the electron, so less melting point and boiling point is required. In period, as we go left to right, the first increases as nuclear charge, because it is difficult to remove electron because of the nuclear charge. So we get more melting and boiling point to remove the electron. So in period first it increases as nuclear charge attract the outermost electron, so it attain maximum value somewhere in the middle, and thereafter begins decreases, because in left hand side most of the element is in a gaseous state, non-metals. So that is why the melting and boiling point get decreases. It is already in the gaseous state, almost the non-metals. Next is electropositive character, the tendency to lose the electron. Electropositive means the tendency to lose the electron, such as sodium. It lose one electron and give it to chlorine, so it becomes positive. As I have said earlier, so that in chemistry, one who give the electron is become positive, and one who take the electron is become negative. So chlorine take the electron, it's become negative charge, and the one who give the electron, it become positive. So electropositive character means to lose the electron. So in period, in moving down the group, positive character increases as we moving, because metallic character is increases, so positive character also get increases. On moving left to right across the period, electropositive character decreases, because most of the element in left hand side is non-metal, it contain negative charge, so electropositivity get decreases. So my question is today for what is the atomic or ionic radii, atomic volume, melting and boiling point, and electropositivity. Thank you.